Hey guys, PokeCedGo here, and today we are going to do episode 2 of the Tycoon 2 series. Okay, today we're going with JD20, my friend. He's on right now. Okay, so let me just get my car. Okay. So I think the lag improved. I know for you it's laggy, but in my perspective, it's not very laggy at all. And when it turns into a video, it's a little bit laggy. So yeah, so just watch that. I do know birchwood is I can get it right now, but I need better axes. Like I said, doing lava wood, and then some. I might do the maze, and yeah, and I guess other stuff. Okay, let me just do this for a second, and I think I have an idea how to bend this on a tree without chopping it to pieces. Okay, and just make the length the trunk go straight there. Okay, now I have to drive backwards. Yep, it works. Yes. No. What? Oh yeah, guys. They removed Glowwood in number Tycoon 2. I think I told you that already. No, maybe not. I think the video got corrupted when I made that video. Yeah, they removed Glowwood. I think so. I'm not sure if they did, but I think they did. Only the Spookwood is out. No Glowwood anymore. Not sure. Because I did heard about rumors. Defaults are removing different kind of woods in the game and adding new stuff. There is a new wood in the game. But we can't get it yet unless if you exploit. I'm pretty sure we patched it though. Yep. So okay, just do this. Okay, we're gonna grab the whole tree. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's just see. Hopefully there's not that much lag for you guys. I'm trying my best to record, spending my time with YouTube. And I'm not doing YouTube for hobby. Well, I am. I'll just do YouTube when I have time. School's just started, I guess. I know it's the weekend, so I got enough time, I guess. Yep. Did I forget to tell something? Oh no, okay. And okay, there. Oh boy. What is that? Okay, let me just check that. Wait, what is this? Fall get to fix an issue. This one. Wait. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know why is that. Why is there? I think I'm not sure if it has been there from. I really don't go back here a lot. I usually just go in front of there. Oh what? Oh, like okay, there. Okay. Anyway, hopefully for you guys not very laggy. I know it will be laggy. Hopefully not that laggy. But who knows? It could be fixed when I upload it. Maybe not. I doubt it. I don't know. Okay. Maybe it's not laggy. Maybe I'm not sure. Let's just go with the flow. Okay, so yeah. So I will do some offline work. But if something very important is about to happen. Wow. While we're getting on programmers. Boom. Okay. Okay. JD with his puns. He always have a sense of humor. Ooh. 121. 130. Ooh. I could get the silver axe. Who knows? Okay. Okay. So let's just go. What's RS? 157. 157. 157. What can I get with that? And I'm not gonna start doing the stuff yet. Oh, my first sawmill. How much? 130. 1,600. Oh, that's my friend. Yay! Yay! I need sawmill. Quick! My viewers are bored. Hopefully you guys are not bored. I don't know. I mean, I could get this one, but it's not gonna get awkward for the long time. 1,200. No, 1,100. Plus. 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 Well, I really don't want to go to my main account and just get money there. I doubt. Because there's a way for me to get it. I'll have to just get my friend online, give him the money from my slot 1. Then I go to slot 2, and then he gives me what I gave him. And that makes sense, but I'm not gonna do that, don't worry. I'm being a better right now. Please. Please. Please, JD. Jedi. No. Bad. Okay. Fine. What are you gonna give it? Okay. Maybe not. Fine, JD. You win. You win. Yes. Yes. Okay. I'll just buy this one then. Sawmill. Oh, please tell me I didn't buy this for no reason. Dun 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 dun. Oh, hold on. Oh man. Okay, never mind. He gets it. See, guys? I don't know. Unless somebody gives me money. I mean, that would work. Now, okay. Okay. So, guys, ready? I got a sawmill. Dun 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 dun. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Offline work. If I do offline work, how much money would I get? How much stuff? I mean, birch trees wouldn't fit in this thing. But this is a good size of land, I guess. I'm gonna go check the space. Alright. No. Yeah, one of my videos, the glitch with. I saw 3 days ago. Okay, wait, what is JD space? Yep, his axis, and 15k solid. Whew, man, JD, you are way ahead of me. Don't kill me. Sacrifice, we must sacrifice. I'm not doing it. No. Okay. He does need a chance. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching. I will do some offline work. Depending if I want to. Yeah. But if something important happens, I'll record it. But if I don't have time or maybe too lazy to record, I won't record it. So yeah, guys. If I do forget to like say something, if I get a certain amount of money, and you just say in the comments how do you get the money, I'll tell you how I get it. How I got it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Oh wait. Alright, that's all I'll do. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. Oh yeah. Also, remember, I'll do offline works when I want to, or when I want to. So the next episode we're way ahead, and I'll try to record any important, like if I'm trading with somebody, I'll try to record. But if I can't record it, that means I'm either too lazy, or my screen recorder is broken, or I'm in a rush. So yeah, bye guys.